So another surprise gift from Microsoft. So this is for the New Year gift, which arrived a little late, but it was a real surprise to me because I wasn't aware of it. And this has arrived this morning with my name, and I was wondering who has sent it and what was the occasion for sending me a gift all of a sudden. So this is Splursh, a mini blender, you can say. So we are going to open the box, check out the product. We are going to see the product, understand how to use it. Even I am new to it, I don't have much idea about it. So let's go ahead, unbox it, and let's see what's inside, and let's make something. So well, here is the box. Let's get the box out. So finally we have the box out of it. So here is how it looks. So here are the specification of the product. So the name is Tornado, the capacity is 500 ml, the battery is 4000 mAh, rated power 75 watt, input voltage DC 5 voltage, charging time is about 3 to 4 hour, blade material is stainless steel, and I guess it would be a changeable one. The bottle material is silica gel plus tritan plus ABS, and the product parameters and the package size and all those things over here. So you have the USB charging port over here, you have the LED power button over here, you have the stainless steel blade, the hackbill saw blades over here, you have the material plastic cover over here, and so on. We are going to see in lot more details. So 20 plus time can be used per charge, and we're going to make something. That's the more important part. So okay, as I open the box, here are two booklets over here, and I'm not going to ignore them this time because I don't know what is it. So let me see. So there is some cover over here, and here is the bottle. Just got the bottle out, and there isn't anything else inside. So the inside it's empty. So I'm just keeping it by the side for now, and let's get the thing out. So here is the bottle. So let's get all these papers out from it first. So you have some stickers that you can put, so you can just take them and put it somewhere. I'm not going to put them anywhere as of now, so just keeping it over here. And you have the USB charging cable inside, so you'll require this for charging the device. And this is how the device looks. And you have this LED power button is here, so if I press, you can see that it is on. I guess we have to press it multiple times in order to make it work. And let's keep it aside, and let's spend some time understanding what is in the books that's given over here. So here is the book. Boost your immunity, so you can put some fruits and all inside, make a good shake and all those things, and use it. So how to clean and maintain your slush, ensure that the blade stops before cleaning. So definitely make sure that you are not putting your finger also when it's in use. Do not use harsh liquids or cleaners to clean, such as gasoline or acetone. Do not soak or submerge the product in water or other things, just avoid them. Wash the cup and the blade with water after use, ensure it dried up. For fast cleaning, add a drop of liquid soap, a bit of water, and blend to clean. Store in a clean and dry place, avoid direct sunlight, that's fine. So charging method, the important part. Charge your Splursh fully before the first use. So let's charge it. I just switched it on, but anyways, the blender was not on. Once the battery is full, press the power button to start the device. LED light is orange when charging and turns white once fully charged. If the battery is dead, LED light remains off and the blender won't work. Okay, that's cool. Sleep mode, after use, the device automatically goes into sleep in 15 seconds, okay, and barely consumes power. So it will be on, but it won't be using any power. It would be in a hibernate or sleeping state. So use a 5-volt adapter for charging, that's fine. What else is there? Points to remember: do not insert your finger when the slush is running, do not slush when the is empty, idle. And so basically it's simple, that don't put your finger, and once you use it, just take out the content or consume it. Here are some of the material of each of the components that's being used over here. So let's go ahead and put the Splursh into charging, and before that let's see what is it. So this is a recipe that melts your heart. So this is a recipe book, as you see over here. That's pretty nice because I don't know any recipes, so we can try something out from here if I can find the ingredients, definitely, after charging. So blackberry, strawberry, raspberry, lot of things. So this is a breakfast menu. Then you have some lunch. Okay, you need avocado and all those things. I don't know if I can get something like that. So what I'll do is I'll try something very simple, maybe some berries, some grapes and all that I could try out. So chocolate, peanut butter and a lot of things. So there is a lot of things that you can find over here, pretty much healthy things. Red velvet beet smoothie, so you can understand that all good things. Oh, some protein things as well. Hercules protein shake, weight gain recipes, call smoothie. This looks pretty good. Frozen mixed berries, handful of spinach. Okay, let me see what I can find. So this is pretty much your book for the recipes. You can try out something, and definitely you'll find a lot more on the web on the recipes. So what we'll do is we'll quickly put our Splursh into charging, and once we are done charging, let's see what all I can arrange, and I'll try to make something for you guys. So here I am at the desk, and here is the Splursh with the LED button in the front, and here we have the charging. So I think you can open this. So yeah, you can just pull it down and you have your charging port over here. So we are going to plug the USB and we are going to put it into charging, and I'm going to go and get some fruits and all, berries and all. In the meantime it charges, and then we are going to see what we can make out of it. So here I have plugged it, and you can see this light over here. So it seems it's charging, and this should be turning to white once it is fully charged as per the document. So let it charge. In the meantime I'll go and get some berries and grapes and things like that. I'm not sure what I can find, so let's see what I can, and we will try out something. As you can see, this light has turned white after almost 3.5 hours. It was mentioned that it will take almost 4 hours. So let's go and try out some experiment with this. We'll try out something from the recipe book, and let's see how it goes. So here it is, it's ready, and we are going to test it out. So you can open it like this. If you wanted to clean it, you can just open this. You can detach this part. So this is the motor, and this is where the blade is, and you can take the cap off, and you can take the bottom off as well. So you can just take these parts separately, and you can easily clean this off. So what we are going to do is we are first going to test it with water. So make sure there is a max mark, you are not exceeding that mark, and put both the caps properly. And I can see some water still spilling out, so maybe it's not locked properly. We are going to press this, and as I press you can see it should it's spinning it. So you can see that it just stops with one click, and you just press it twice in order to start it. I couldn't find all the ingredients, but here are some. So here is the almond milk. You have some strawberries, some blueberries, some pomegranate, and some mint leaves. So we are going to put this and try it out, and before trying it out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them up, and I'm going to chop them into smaller pieces so that it can easily blend in. So here it is, I have made small pieces as you see over here. So pomegranate, strawberries, blueberries and some mint. So let me put them, and make sure that you are not crossing that line that they have mentioned. I think I'm putting a bit too much of strawberry, so let it be this much only. Adding the pomegranates. Next time I'm going to try out some coffee, maybe a quick recipe, and post it and share it with you guys. So I'm just taking a break these days from posting any technical content. We'll be back very soon, maybe in a couple of days. Was just feel like taking some break. So here it is almost till the level. So let's not put so much of strawberry, and let's put the almond milk and fill it up till the level. I've removed the seeds from the berries, otherwise they will also get grinded and might not feel that great. So let's put the cap properly. Looks like we are good. Do the blending part, so just click it twice, and as you see, it has started blending. It should end by itself. You don't need to stop it. If you want, you can stop it pressing this button, but generally it should stop by itself. You don't need to stop it. So as you can see, it has stopped. So there is some seeds and they got grinded, as you see over here, and you can do a double grind as well, and you can stop them by pressing this button, so you're good. Yep, my drink is ready and it tastes really nice. Definitely there is a huge room for improvement. And once again, thanks Microsoft for sending such a nice and unexpected gift. It was a real surprise to me. It was great to have such a gift. I would definitely try out coffees and lattes and other things with the same. So once again, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye and take care.